Hello, my name is Gurinder Rai. This is my programming assignment 14.11. Now this one is kind of lengthy because it has four different tests in it, and I'm going to be testing it in sequential order. So first off, I'm going to input 0, 1 to test 1 function. Now, since they're both equal, it's going to add 1 to R11 to show that test 1 worked. And it's going to branch to done. And for testing purposes, it's going to repeat to test all three cases, including the default statement. So now this time, we're going to put in hex 8 to test the test date function. And now it's going to skip over test 1 and go to test 8 because they're not the same value. And now it's going to add 1 to R12 to show that test date worked out and branch to done. And then repeat. And now we're going to test the test 2.0, which tests both the case statement of hex 2 and hex 0. But first we'll put in hex 2 and see what happens. So now it's going to keep going through this to test every single case. And now it gets to test 2. It sees that they're both 1, so it's going to go to increment C and add 1 to R13. Now it's going to branch back. And now we can try the other part of that statement, which is hex 0, and it should do the same thing. So it goes down, and now it sees that R0, it's 1. It's going to branch to the increment C and then add 1 to R13. Now this time, we're going to see if the default function works. So we're just going to put in some random value, different from these 4 constants. And it's going to go through each program, and now it's going to go to default, and since default clears R11, that's what it does. So yes, the program works as it executes all of the instructions properly.